Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In today's video, we're going to just hop on the colectivo and head down to the beach. I think it's threatening a little bit of rain, so I'm not really sure how we're going to make out today, but I did wanted to get out and just do a little bit more filming down at the main square because we haven't been down there for a while doing any filming, and today is this week is March break, so I'm not really sure how busy it's going to be. So anywho, we're just going to get the colectivo. It's my first time on the colectivo, so that's just going to be a new experience. I've been avoiding that kind of thing because of the COVID. So yeah, we're just gonna go over here, stand in the corner and wait for the colectivo. So we're standing here waiting for the colectivo. I'm on the corner of Tortuga and Zatina right now. Here comes my colectivo. This is Casa Cultura. I'm just going to walk in here. I'm not really sure if it's open to the public, but we're going to just do a little video around here. Just show you what this is. It doesn't really look like there's anything going on here right now, but what a cool place. Culture. Casa Cultura. Voices inside. I don't want to do anything to disturb anybody here, but it's a beautiful place. Looks like there's a stage area here. Around some tables and yeah, beautiful spot. These are just some of the things that go on here at the Casa Cultura. Okay, this is like a really cool, apparently it is an Airbnb, and it's a really neat place that I think you can rent rooms. It's just a very whimsical looking place. Just a reminder again of how beautifully colorful all the buildings are here. Here is a little lavanderia, but he's getting their laundry done. I just saw a couple of little, I know they're not the capybaras. I think they're the sort of smaller version of that. I'm not really sure what they're called. Anybody can help me on that. Just maybe mention it in the comments. I'm really not sure. We saw them when we were over on an all-inclusive resort too, that these little animals, they look like capybaras, only they're quite a bit smaller than that. So, oh, Oh, I thought I saw another one. Nope, it's a birdie. But you can see behind me, there's like almost mangrove-y looking. And that's why there's a sign there that says, you know, beware of crocodiles, right? Because they're in there, I'm pretty sure. So, okay, we're just going to continue on up the street here. Avenue Ninos Heroes is what the name of the street's called. So yeah, this is the second street back from the beach. We got here. Oh, we got Casa Katrina. This is very cool. Not exactly sure what Casa Katrina is, but that's very neat. Very cool. Okay, this is a new business. It's bakery, panaderia, boulangerie, artisanal. It just opened this year. I've heard some great reviews on it. This is, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a rundown here on the menu, so you can get an idea if you're interested. Again, like I was saying, this is the second street back from the beach. Okay, so now here we are at John Gray's Kitchen. This is a beautiful place to have dinner. We were here back when we were here in 2020. We have not had a chance to come down here yet. There's just so many places to try that you hate to do repeats, but honestly, it's really good food here. Really good food. And if it's a nice place to go if you want to go for like a nice dinner. John Gray's. This is tacos de canasta. It's a very traditional, oh, go ahead. Very traditional way of making tacos. Tamales, eh? Tamales en canasta? No, tacos. Tacos, okay. Papas. Muy bueno. Gracias. This is a really cutely painted up building. You can see behind me, it's just beautiful. I love it. It's just so beautiful. Painted so cute. It looks like it's something that's open a little bit later, I guess, but Terry. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. ¿Es a frutería?
Sí.
Okay. It's okay to...
Adelante.
Oh, look at, I've got some chickens roasting in here. I forgot my mask, so I'm gonna have to go out. I just wanted to get a cute little... Wow. Gracias. Okay, so we're just gonna walk along here. There's La Choza de Puerto. We did a video on that one. If you check out my playlist, which has the foods, it's there. Okay, I'm just gonna record this beautiful garden that's along here. Somebody has gone to a lot of trouble to make this place beautiful, and it's just on the streets. Just along the street, you come across these beautiful things. I love Puerto Morelos. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. There's cacti. This looks like it's some sort of a guest house here. I really apologize for not knowing what these places are. I'm just, making my way up and down the street. If anybody can shed any light on whether these places are, up for rent, are they private residences? I'm not really sure, but they're certainly beautiful. Going to turn around here so you can see the other side of the street as well. Absolutely gorgeous homes or rentals. Just not exactly sure what the situation is, but yeah, look at that place. Isn't it beautiful? So we're just going to meander on here. I believe that it looks like maybe I'm not going to get caught in the rain. I was thinking that I was going to, because we've got to get a few spit on a couple of times, but looks like things are trying to clear up. Seems like every time I come down to the port side to do some filming, it's raining, or it has just rained, or it's going to rain. So today seems to be still following that trend. But it's a beautiful, gorgeous day. It's a Monday. Yeah, we're at the intersection here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Ejército Mexicano and Avenue Ninos Heroes. Yeah, we're just going to continue along here, walking along. Oh, look who's coming. Hi, what are you doing? Did you escape? Did you escape? Hi, buddy. You be careful. You do see sometimes some dogs that just, that fella looks like he may have just broke free.